Hey, it's April with the Possible Diet, and today I'm going to show you how to make a layered dessert that's sort of like chia pudding with fruit and almonds. This is like, you know, kind of like a nice change from just regular chia pudding. It's a little bit fancier if you feel like you need to treat yourself. I was inspired to make this because Siggi's has a black cherry low sugar yogurt. And cherries are in season. So what we're going to do is make a chia pudding with the cherry yogurt, vanilla and almond extract. And then the next step is we're going to let that sit in the fridge, either 8 hours or overnight. And then we're going to make layers with the chia pudding, fresh cherries, and toasted almonds. So let's get started. 1 container of cherry chia pudding, super thick. I like the way this looks. It's very pretty if you put it in a glass. A lot of times, you know, the tricks that you use when you're dieting are just to kind of make something a little more fancy than you're used to, so that it doesn't feel like you're totally on a diet. And little things like this can help you mentally when you're just sort of struggling. So 1 container of that, and then I like to do a 1/3 cup of the vanilla yogurt, 2 tablespoons of smart sugar. You need a little bit of sweetener in this because it's low sugar, but what you're doing is you're replacing the real sugar with faux sugar. You know, I mean, it's not super faux sugar because there's actually real sugar in this, but it's half as much as you would normally add. And we are making a dessert. And then a 1/4 cup of almond milk. Give that a stir. And then I like to add a 1/4 teaspoon of almond extract and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Cherries are in season, so if you've never tried cherries before, go ahead and check them out because you don't know what you're missing. 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. Chia seeds are a prebiotic, so eating prebiotic chia seeds with the probiotic yogurt, your gut will be very happy. All right, take that, pop it in the fridge overnight or for 8 hours during the day if you want to eat this for dessert for dinner and you're making it in the morning. And I'll come back and see you when we layer it. Okay, we're ready to make our parfait. We have our chia pudding, which has been sitting overnight, so it's super thick. I just give it a stir. And then I like to start actually with cherries on the bottom. I've just got some chopped fresh cherries here. And then a scoop of chia pudding. And then some sliced toasted almonds. I literally just put these in a little pan and toasted them in my toaster oven for like 3 minutes. Just give yourself a little bit of crunch. And then more cherries, more chia pudding, more almonds, and you can change up these layers if you want to finish with almonds. I'll not judge. But this is just a nice way to kind of like change up your dessert or breakfast routine and make sure that you get a little bit of everything. You've got monounsaturated fat from the fruits, you've got fiber, vitamins from the cherries, and then probiotics and prebiotics from the pudding. So there you have it, cherry almond parfait. Enjoy.